Here we've got another Toyota CHR. These are probably one of the most stolen cars at the moment, so this vehicle needs to get secured ASAP. We've done the Can-immo immobiliser. Still got the free tag, leather case, Faraday bag promotion going on. In your pack, you'll get a spare battery screwdriver to change the battery in the tag. You get emergency override card in there. You get a QR code for the app if you want to download a phone app. Our contact details as well. Everything you could possibly need. So hide the tag away and I'll show you how it all works. Tag's now away in a Faraday bag. So if I show you the immobilisation, I've got my foot on the brake. I try and start the vehicle. It will not go to ready. Completely locked out. So what you must do is ignition on. When you're ready, you enter your code. There's plenty of buttons available around the network. If you watch the fog light there, just underneath the seatbelt on the left-hand side, you get the fog light flash there. Now press the start button, vehicle goes to ready, and off you go. Switch the vehicle off. This one doesn't arm till we exit the vehicle, so we could restart it again. Go straight to ready. But if we exit the vehicle, double flash your fog light and we're now fully protected. So this is a Can-immo pin to drive immobiliser, free Bluetooth tag, leather case. Interested in getting your vehicle secured? Give us a call. Tony Elite Car Security 0333 012 9028.